comes alive. Every stroke, a story untold, a dance of hues both bright and bold. Morning light, new dreams awake, shapes and shades in every break. Palette speaks, emotions flow. In the art, our spirits grow. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies. Hearts open wide through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind. Brushes whisper, secrets shared, lines and layers, none compared. In the moment we take flight, art ignites the darkest night. Story of life on the screen, every image feels so keen. Journey bound with every hue, in the art we find anew. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies. Hearts open wide through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind. Brush in my hand, colors collide. Canvas whispers, a world comes alive. Every stroke, a story untold, a dance of hues, both bright and bold. Morning light, new dreams awake, shapes and shades in every break. Palette speaks, emotions flow. In the art, our spirits grow. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies, open wide. Through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind. Brushes whisper, secrets shared, lines and layers, none compared. In the moment we take flight, art ignites the darkest night. Story of life on the screen, every image feels so keen. And journey bound with every hue, in the art we find anew. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies, open wide. Through the lines,
Lines take shape, the storm begins. Fire ignites beneath the skin. Eyes ablaze, a soul confined. Wrath awakens in every line. Of me still